Now let's see the implementation of attoy function. C already has an inbuilt function attoy. So you might be asked in many of the interviews to implement attoy function. So we'll have a look at how the implementation goes. For that you should first of all know what attoy function is. It converts a string of digits into its integer equivalents. That is a function of attoy. So that attoy function in C library, it has a return type of int because it is converting the digits into integer equivalents. Its return type is int and it expects a string. So here we have int attoy char s. Int is the return type. It is expecting a string s. In the main you can see the input string as 1234A56. Here there is a single character, so the attoy function will not convert character into integer. It just converts the string of digits into its integer equivalents. So whenever it encounters a character, it will return from the attoy function. Suppose the entire string is full of characters like A, B, C, D, then this for loop condition check will fail, and in that case it just returns n, which will be 0. In this case here you can see it is 1234 A56. So till 1234 it converts, and whenever it encounters this character A, the condition check of for loop fails and it just returns n. By that time n will be the integer equivalent of this string 1234. So here the equivalent integer is calculated by this part, that is s of y minus 0, and since it is an integer, it is formed as a number by this expression n is equal to 10 into n s of y minus ASCII of 0. To be more clear, let's take the first digit in the string, that is 1. So when it enters the for loop, n is 0. So n is equal to 10 into n, that is 10 into 0 plus s of I minus 0. S of I will be ASCII of 1, that is that when you subtract 0 from ASCII of ASCII of 0 from ASCII of 1, you will get the numeric equivalent 1. So n will be 1. So n next digit will be 2. In that case here 10 into 1 plus ASCII of 2 minus ASCII of 0, you will get 2. So you get n as 12. So if you continue, you will get this 1234. That's the integer. And whenever it encounters a, this just returns from this function. So that's how attoy works. Now let's see how the result comes. So we expect the result to be 1234. We compiled it. So here it shows in function main implicit declaration of function attoy. I have already told you attoy function is already there in C. That is why it is showing implicit declaration. Here we have given a definition in our own style. So let's execute it. So we got the output as 1234.